Ah, was probably muted this entire time. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, everyone, if you are there. Wow, looks like we're just rolling right down here for the open. It's okay. I have some stuff that I have to do for work. It's not my environment to trade anyway. We're going against the trend, all that good stuff. So I will be hands off. As I try and figure out what's going on at work here. I should be able to pop out this chat. Yep. Good morning, Nick. Good morning, Achiever. I like that name, Achiever. That's beautiful. Yeah, so guys, if you're looking, as I said, I'm first 15. I'm hands off. I may get this into the first 20 minutes because I am an IT guy and we're having some type of issue at work, and that requires my immediate attention. This is the main thing that pays the bills, so we're not going to mess that up. So let's let the market kind of digest, calm down a little bit. We did nothing but go straight down for the open. I'm not about to FOMO into no nonsense. I'm bullish today anyway, until further notice. So I'm right here, but my attention is not on the markets right now. Lots of movement here, guys. Like lots of movement here. I may give this the first 20 before even just dropping it down to the 15. It's just not my market to be dealing with, all the players. This is the first open that we've had since like that major news of like Elon and Trump doing all that other stuff. So this could be a wacky market here. I'm just waiting for it to cool off and for it to pick a direction. So yeah, this isn't nothing. This will be your first presented nonsense right here. I mean, it could go lower from there. I'm not taking it though. It's not for me. Let me see. Do we have an SBS? 1, 2, 3. It's not for me. None of this is for me. None of this is for me. So yeah, I'm still hands on. I'm still hands off. But you're trading against the SMA here. You're trading against the moving averages here. Could this go down? Probably. And just to sweep all of this level just off the strength of everybody just wanting to panic sell, I guess, perhaps. But it's simply not for me. So I'm still doing work stuff. I'll be right back with you guys. Right back with you. Looks like your first presented fair value gap is getting ran through, per usual. Art Van Delay, good morning, man. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So guys, I am still doing some work stuff here. So forgive me as I get my life together, but this is the main thing that pays the bills. So I gotta be I gotta figure this out really quickly. SBS Sniper, good morning. Glad to see you, buddy. Glad to see you. Hopefully I'm not blowing anybody's eardrums off. It kind of says that I am. But yeah, how do I sound, guys? Everything sounding okay? Yep. Yeah. Appreciate you, brother. So yeah, once again, you just got tagged out of your first presented fair value gap. Just wanna point that out. We never take those unless it's like super obvious. It even looked a little good on the 1 minute, but no, just tag you out right back to orb high. So I'll be sitting here waiting for the next opportunity, which could be coming really soon here, but once again, I have to focus on work for the next couple minutes or so. Some routine work, but still work that I have to somewhat focus on. So once again, letting the market kind of cool off from that extreme volatility that we saw at 9:30 open. I came in with a bullish bias, so of course I did not take any I didn't take any trade. So, but I definitely did not believe in those whack ass shorts. So here we are breaking above the orb high. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and drop this down to the 1 minute or so. 1 minute SMA looks like it needs to catch up to confirm bullish bias, but I'm pretty sure the 30 second is saying go long right now. Oh, it's not. Little mini SBS here on the 30 second. You got 1, 2, 3. Want a little bit more though. So and once again, hands off for me for the time being. So trying to figure out what is going on at work. Haha. I do like how we're coming back down though. We're trying to close above opening range high. Kind of confirming my thesis for longs today. Serving up longs, nice, hot, and fresh. Maybe this could be your swing point. NQ stronger than ES. So we're back to normal. So we're back to normal, eh? Swing. So this is what I don't like to do. I don't like to nickel and dime the market. I don't like when prices kind of like jumbled and very close together like this for my swings. Not exactly a fan of doing that because I could say that we have a model 1 forming right now. We tried to break above this swing, so first here is 1. And this could be your 1. This could be your 2. But see how tightly I have to play this? I'm not a big fan of SBSs like this. Yeah, this could be like 1, 2, back into the range, 3. Yeah, so I would need like a sweep of these levels right here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I would need a sweep of 2. And let's get rid of first presented bullshit right there. Now, once again, I am a model 2 type of guy. So I would be looking for something like that. But I don't like how tight that is. I don't like how tight that is. And just looking at my emotional state right now, I'm not exactly dialed in right now. I'm not exactly dialed in since I am multitasking and I hate when something urgent pops up early in the morning and I can't focus on trades. So there's your sweep of 2. I may have to let a bus go here, guys, just to make sure that everything is going well here. These are kind of moving slow on my end at work too. So right, like even right now, I'm speaking, but my eyes are not on the market because I have to fix things. So update PDF services. It's looking 4-ish right here. All right, there's our tap into the move origin there. Price is still kind of like moving wild, and I'm pretty sure we don't have news today here, right? I'm pretty sure we don't. I don't like when price kind of, yeah, there it is. There it is, there it is, there it is. So this could be the beginning of your SBS here, guys. Once again, I'm not locked in and I couldn't partake in the monies right now, which is really unfortunate. Boom. Wow. Oh boy. It's okay, Andre. It's okay. 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 That is really unfortunate, though. First tap, come straight up. That's wow, Andre. Not gonna lie, I'm feeling emotions right now. I'm feeling emotions. I'm feeling emotions. I'm feeling emotions because my job says, hey, we need this looked at right now, and I miss a banger. That's boy. Not gonna lie, that is frustrating. That's very frustrating. I guess this could have been your 4, and I guess this was 5. Once again, I don't like nickel and diamond price, but that is your SBS. Let's see if it wants to come back and pick us up. I don't think this is coming back here, guys. That's crazy. That was just everything you wanted to see in a trade in an SBS just happened right there. Everything is so tight right now, though. Yeah, so I'm not getting in on this fair value gap. I don't like that. I could have been done. Well, I'm still finishing up work here. Let me try and knock this out as fast as possible, then keep going. I guess that's really unfortunate. Yeah, guys. So sorry if my charts are a little jumbled here. That's crazy. Yeah, 1 minute is starting to look very favorable. I'm pretty sure the 30 second is saying go. Well, let's see if it'll pick us back up. Once again, I don't think that it will, but if it does, I would like to give it a shot. Would love if this comes back down and gives us a shot. Bearish engulfing. Excuse me, bearish engulfing here. Bearish engulfing on the 5. Yeah, I'm hands off right now, guys, because this is a legitimate strategy that you could play for a short. Very interesting. No bottom wick here too on the 5. Yeah, I don't really like it. Anyway, let me try and finish some work stuff up. Still here though, I'm still here. Halfway there. Guys, I am so sick right now. I am so sick. My job just prevented me from making money on the charts. I am so sick. That looks really good too. That looks really good. Yeah, if you took this and anywhere near here, definitely have your stops at break even. See if we want to bust above the orb high. Looks like we want to continue up there too. I mean, hey, that's one of the things, you work and you trade at the same time, right? I mean, I love trading and I'm always going to prioritize like little stuff above trading, but when you have something urgent and this is the only thing paying the bills, it's kind of like risk managing. I had to. It's got to take priority for right now, guys. But what an SBS. What an SBS here. So I don't foresee this coming back lower, honestly. If it does, nah, I don't see it. Like we hit the move origin, made like this little double bottom. Not the bottom, but we were traced back into it, gave it a little tappy tap. I would expect this to start just blowing off tops right now. So. It did give me a chance to get in though. I will say that. It did give me a chance to get in, but I'm half here. I got 2 more servers to do. Got 2 more servers to do. Yep. No FOMO, no FOMO, no FOMO, no FOMO. Maybe 5 can come down a little bit lower before going up. But guys, honestly, this looks like it just wants to like rip everybody who just shorted. I'm not gonna lie. If you took this, congratulations, man. This looks pretty good. Bullish bias was kind of confirmed. Tapped into an area of interest that was pretty obvious. Really good hold. SBS right there. Boom bow. Move origin. Perfect model 2. Perfect model 2. This is fucking crazy, man. I'm really upset. I am really upset. I'm starting to lose control already. All because of this little bullshit at work. same issue that we've been dealing with for the past 4 fucking days. And I missed something. Fucking ridiculous, man. Can't win for losing. Well, guys, there it goes. There it goes. Outlined perfectly. Called out to you. And we're running. And we're still going here. Still going, still going. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Well, guys, that's how it goes, I guess. That's how it goes. But I simply could not place a trade while I'm doing what I'm doing right now. Like, I can talk, but placing a trade while I'm dealing with production servers that affect thousands of people across the world. Boy. I don't believe it. No, I don't believe it. I have the discipline, I have the patience now, and then work just says, hey, it's 9 o'clock, and we never get anything at 9, and this happens. It's really frustrating, guys. It's really frustrating. I'm not gonna lie. The one time I have the discipline and patience to sit down and look at trades. I mean, to look at the market with clarity, with precision. Then everything gets in you, then everything else just comes into your ear. That is true, but this is, it's just frustrating, and that's why I'm streaming all of this, guys. All of this is going to be raw, so I'm showing you raw emotion. I am very fucking upset right now. You have no idea. And now I'm getting messages from my coworkers. Hey, do you need any help? Yeah, it's not the last time. It's definitely not the last time. But holy moly, guys. I literally just called every move in the market. Well, not every move, but what I wanted to see in the market. And I'm done. I'm done. I've done what I had to do at work. Okay, now I can put that aside, and I missed the trade of the day. Here we are at the highs We were broke above the orb, just kept on going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything I just outlined. Beautifully, perfectly. SMAs just kept on going. Okay, so I'll be honest with you guys. I'm not too sure what to do at this point. Not too sure what to do after we just did this. So I'm wondering if we just catch another bus to the upside. Like, I'm really trying to hold it together here. I really am. Really trying to hold it together. This is absolutely insane. 1% better every day. The market is endless opportunity machine. That is correct, Mr. Stoic or Mr. Trader. Yeah, Mr. Stoic Trader. Oh boy. Something to block you mentally. Yeah, all right. So the only reason that I didn't take this trade was because I was focusing on a very important issue at work. Like we had what's called a work stoppage, meaning that my customers can't work, or the people who use the software that I manage can't work, and I have to jump on it like at the moment. And that's the thing that's actually paying the bills right now. And it made me miss this absolutely beautiful. I mean, I could have did a set and forget, just get into the trade. If it hits stops, it hits stops. I mean, I could have did that, but yeah. This one is rough, guys. This one is rough. But I'm notice how I notice like my emotions though. I noticed how, all right, you're feeling some type of like FOMO, whatever this feeling is. I'm talking it out instead of pressing the button. Me from 3 weeks ago would have pressed the button. I'm not going to lie. Me from 3 weeks ago, pressed the button. Would have pressed the button. But I had to prioritize work because that's what's paying my bills right now. You know, short, clean, no caffeine. But I did outline it for you guys though. I did outline it, so technically, you could have taken. Well, don't copy me, I suck. But yeah, guys, that's looking like the trade of the day. Or we're broke above the orb high. Kind of suggests we wanted to go lower. We didn't get fooled out by these shorts. Didn't get fooled by the first presented BS. There's huge fair value gap that I know ICT traders probably took and got absolutely wrecked. Even had a bearish engulfing, didn't believe it because I had a bullish bias. So saw an SBS, but hey, we just couldn't take it today. And just me talking about it with you guys is letting me calm down. It's like, hey, there will be another opportunity. So sorry for the expletives. Sorry for, the foul language that I had before. There was a little bit of venom in my blood. I had to get it out. So I told you this was going to be very raw. I am nobody's mentor. I'm not anybody's trader's mentor, guru. I am an actual guy here just practicing discipline, and a new trader who's very upset that he missed a banger trade. So that's me. Oh man, Dave, I really appreciate it, sir. Really appreciate it. It really does mean a lot. Wish I could have spanked this one on live, but My eyes were somewhere. My eyes had to be somewhere else, even though I did have it here. But yeah, guys, that was a beautiful SBS here. Beautiful SBS, the sweeps and everything. Just absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. And when you marked out, short should have been good, but some of those times, as we discussed, was also a possible SPS short. Yeah, the 5-minute bearish engulfing was a little bit challenging, but look here though, it's going against the moving average. We're above the 200. We're getting closures above the 20 at that point. This was a pretty easy long, in my personal opinion, and I almost want to make myself feel better by looking at the ICT chat and seeing how many people shorted just to make me feel better. But that's not nice. That's not nice at all. Beautiful. These are some beautiful price action here though, guys. Very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. Really can't ask for too much more on a Monday morning. Like, we saw the sequence. We saw the sequence. We didn't get fooled out by any of these shorts. Why? Because I deleted it. Sorry. Yeah. I like to let the first 15 minutes just play out. I personally don't think anybody should be trading anything that starts with the number 9 in the morning. So anything from 9 a.m. to 9:45 is kind of like a dead zone for me. But we did wait for that opening range to get established here at 9:45 or up here. A lot of times when we start closing above or below that opening range, we kind of like to see continuation for that for the rest of the day. I had a bullish bias, did not get psyched out by this extremely hard slam back down here after we took these highs. Now here's the thing. This is an actual ICT strategy, right? Like, I'm pretty sure we took, I don't know, whatever internal, external liquidity, whatever bullshit ICT calls this shit these days, and we started to displace lower. So I'm pretty sure someone wanted to see some type of breaker for a value gap or some nonsense right here. There we go. I can almost guarantee you that somebody got wrecked here. I can almost guarantee it. Somebody went short here because they weren't paying attention to market structure. And they just wanted to constantly be an ICT contrarian. And I'm saying all this because this was me. And they wanted to see this. And it gave them a couple points here, but for whatever reason, ICT teaches to not like take partials or close trades after we hit certain levels. So they probably wanted to see this right here and then ultimately continue all the way down here because that's how the algo works apparently. But no, we're just gonna keep on buying. And we had a perfect outline for it. I just couldn't participate. And now we're making new highs. SMAs tested these levels very well. I would be very surprised if other people in the community did not take this SBS. It just so happens that I couldn't do it, but it's okay. It is okay. As much as it does, still have a little bit of venom in my in my lungs, in my blood a little bit that I miss quite possibly the trade of the day. But we got to remember that, the market is fractal. There will be another bust. We will be able to catch something like this again. It's not the last time. But as a new trader, somebody with less than 3 years of experience, and somebody who just wants to, somewhat rush the process, I did want to be in this trade. I really did. And I couldn't long when we're already at TP. Yeah, like that just doesn't make any sense. Here's my take profit. We're trading the 1 minute, guys. We're trading the lower time frame. So what does that mean? I have a lower time frame target. I'm not waiting for our high. I'm not waiting for, some type of 4-hour imbalance to get targeted when I'm trading the 1 minute. I have a 1 minute target. I have a 1 minute stop. And not to rag too much, this is one of the reasons why I switched from ICT, because for whatever reason, we'll get in on the 1 minute, and we're holding for 4-hour levels to get hit, and it was just too much. It was just too much for me. But anyway, yeah, guys, I'm still gonna hang out here though. I'm still gonna hang out here. So now we're kind of doing like a staircase thing. This could be like your quote unquote order flow drill, whatever, where pretty much every pullback will most likely get bought up. We're very high here. Let me see. 5 minute. Yeah, we're probably rushing towards these highs right here in the 5 minute. But I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. My confidence is kind of not shot, but I don't want to take longs here yet before we start sweeping like these levels here. So like, see how we go 1, 2, 1, 2. I would want some type of like sweep of like either this or a sweep of like this. Maybe come back into like a support. I mean, a resistance becomes support type of deal. I'm not a big fan of just longing right here because you could get absolutely clapped. So, yeah, guys. So, the question is, do I still look for another SBS even though we're not getting those sweeps that I'm looking for at the moment? That's the real question. And guys, I don't know. It's still kind of like bothering me a little bit that I called it. I called it. You guys were on the stream. I said, hey, this is 1, 2. This is your 3. I would like to see a sweep of 2. Taps into the move origin right here. Supply zone, or demand zone, whatever you want to call it. We tap it. I'm like, okay, it rushed there, but 4 usually gives you another opportunity to get right back into the trade. More time, 8 times out of 10. If we just tap it, 4 comes all the way up, we should get a 5 leg. Whether it breaks 4 is pretty irrelevant. We're just looking for another test of that zone, and we got it. I still have to work. Yes, Dave. Stoic is probably the best like mentor for newer traders on the internet right now. It could all be so simple. Find a trending market, find a pullback, wait for some manipulations and some sweeps to happen, and get in. I mean, it's really that simple. Dre, where would your entry be on the trade you missed? Oh, yeah, self trades. I would have been here. So I guess South Tribe trades. My bad. I would have been somewhere down here. Little golden SBS level right there, and I would have played that really tightly. I would have played that one tightly. I would have bet or banked that we don't sweep below 4 in that case, and we complete the sequence right here. So I would have been down here somewhere. This episode, and I'll continue to tell others join Stoic. Yes, indeed, Dave. Yes, indeed. Ah, man, it's making me kind of disappointed that I wasn't able to nail this one in front of everybody. But like I said, guys, I am a normal guy. I am a beginner trader. I am completely honest. You're not going to find too many people that's more honest than me. I am pretty sick that I missed this. So we're coming down here. Looks like we want to test this 20 right here, but the 20 is kind of far away from the 200. And I'm wondering, do we want to do some type of reversal action here? That is in the playbook that Stoic provides. Basically, guys, everything I'm doing is a playbook by Stoic, by the way. We have four market conditions. A trending market that's bullish, a trending market that's bearish, an expanded reversal trade, or consolidation where price is just bobbing and weaving within price. Maybe something like this is kind of like a hands-off like situation. So those are your 4. Okay, this is a better example. This right here would be like a no-go for any trader. See how we're just going in, but see how the 20 is going in between price, but more importantly, see how the 200 is just cutting right through candlesticks. This is a absolutely no-touch. This is a no-touch environment. So, yeah. Now I'm noticing that the 20 is kind of far away from the 200. I would have to see sweeps of these levels before we want to even continue up. Like my hands. So my hands are kind of tied at the moment. Once again, not an expert trader here. This could be your long. Well, actually, no. We didn't really get a sweep of the. We didn't get a sweep of this. 1, 2. We didn't get any sweeps here. Yeah. Then we have another one. 1, 2. Yeah. Something would have to be. Yeah. Something would have to get. Something would have to get taken here for me to try to get involved. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this could probably just punch a little bit lower. But never forget, guys, BBC, you have to watch to the end to get to the left. I made it 90% of the way there. I had to run out and and do other things, but no, that last podcast was the last podcast with I forgot the gentleman's name, but it was really good, and boom, there goes the dynamite. Bow. Sorry, no, we stay stoic in this house. That was a test of the 20 right there. It could have got long. Yeah. I have to go to stream. Enjoy your trading. Thank you, Dave. Thanks for popping in. Really appreciate it. Have a good one. Tie-ins of tomorrow. That is correct. Really good podcast there. Really good show. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Woo-wee. There it is, guys. There it is. Previous day just got tagged. Yes, indeed. Yeah, it's always like a difficult thing when you know that your mentors are. Yeah, guys, that is a yeah. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We do. This is part where we just start singing to kind of cope with the pain. 1, 2. I guess this could have been your SBS right here. I missed it again. I'm a normal guy, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Real traders, real emotions. Real trades, real emotions, real discipline, real everything, guys. I'm giving it all to you. The raw, the dirty, the hey, it didn't work out. I missed it. Medicine Man, appreciate you for dropping by, man. You have a good one. Honestly, I kind of want to be out and not even look at this. Yeah. Guess we wanted to come and take this. Yep. But it was called and outlined before it happened. You can rewatch the stream. I did call it. Herp derp. Oh man. I feel like Michael Jordan. Bulls win, Bulls win, Bulls win. Gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it. I'm gonna rewatch this stream, and at this point, I'm gonna laugh when I say, "Hey, it looks like that the Bulls want to rip the face off of everybody who's shorting," and we get all gas though breaks. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's okay though. It is okay. The job comes first. The job is paying the bills. I'm gonna keep on telling myself this until it's okay. But how about them? How about that first presented fair value gap short, guys? How about that? Ooh-wee. Okay, guys. I don't usually like to do the whole targets thing. I'm not a big target fan. Like, hey, daily high or daily low, or liquidity, blah blah blah, bullshit. I'm not really a big fan of doing that. So, hold up, guys. I can't hear my audio anymore. Get a little bit of music there. There we go. Oh yeah, so I'm not really a big fan of like, hey, we took this level, now it needs to reverse and do some other nonsense. I'm not a big fan of that. This could very well just keep on going, especially for the morning. Yeah. The discipline is being forged, though. I guess that's the most important thing. The discipline is being forged. The clarity is there. The clarity is there. And I would have been in this trade. I swear I would have been in this trade. You guys saw me outline it. I would have been in this trade, but I just had to focus. I'm going to keep on saying that until I feel better. I'm going to keep on saying that until I feel better. But market structure beat the algorithm today. That's for sure. That is for sure. BBC is the way. Alright guys, so I'll be honest with you, I don't really have too much of a plan. When you get something that's that good, I'm kind of confused with what to do next. What I don't want to do is start FOMOing into trades, and just start seeing some random nonsense. While I don't believe in a reversal happening as soon as we take a high, it is a good chance that we could want some sellers to kind of push this market down because they see that it's a cheap short or something like that. So I'm gonna try and be hands off. If I see something, I will take it, but kind of don't want to just take any old thing. So maybe 1, 2, 3. It's just not high quality, guys. 1, 2. Yeah, it's just not high quality. This wick is bothering me. Do I do 1, 2? No, this will be 1, 2, 3. This is actually 4. Oy. This could be your ugly 4. And now I'm dealing with scraps. I'm dealing with the rest. I'm dealing with scrap trades right now, and I don't like doing that. I'm also kind of confused on what to do after you miss like the perfect SBS. Like I'm not too sure what in this situation, what do we do when, you know, we take these crazy highs, and even though the SMAs are still saying, hey, stay long, I'm recognizing that we did take a very significant level and we're starting to get some pressure back to the downside. And I don't want to just hop in and do some type of nonsense, but maybe we can try and give this a shot. Excuse me. This is tough here, guys. This is really tough. One, 2, 3, 4. I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh, the music keeps going away. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of this one, guys. Not a big fan of the government. Oh my gosh, was this the same trade that I'm just now looking at the so for everybody who doesn't know, I am a part of Stoic's mentorship, and I'm now looking at a chart, and let's just say it's something kind of similar to what I'm kind of outlined right here. So hey guys, at least I'm on the right path. At least I'm on the right path. I want to get in long here so bad. I want to get in long here so bad, but the question is it the right move, and am I doing the right thing? That is the real question. That is the real question here. That is the real question. Or we're going to see some bears just come in and absolutely wreck this market. And absolutely just put a rainy day on everybody's plans here. Let's see what it wants to do here, guys. Maybe we're not out yet. Let me not get my hopes up. This price doesn't look the best here. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we get some bulls here, maybe we can see another pump back up. I might low risk this one, guys. I don't know what I'm waiting for, though. It's like I'm waiting for the market to tell me that I'm right before the actual move happens. Now I gotta realize, am I now I gotta realize, am I FOMOing into a trade? Or am I following my plan? Am I following the rules? Do you just want to see what you want to see in the market? Or is this logic actually sound? That is the real question.
Order filled.
I'm going to take this one and see if we can get back up to these levels here. And if not, we only have a $40 risk here. Probably should have waited for the bulls to come back in. And that is your FOMO trade.
Order filled.
There's your FOMO trade right there. Okay, there it is, minus $40. Minus $40. One L on stream. But it is okay. Let me go back here. One, two. Oh, go back to the 1 minute. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, for sure, SBS Sniper, for sure. That was definitely a FOMO trade. We're kind of closing below this right here. 20 is kind of far away from the 200 as well. Took a significant high. Not sure what price wants to do. Maybe he wants to come back down and test the 20 here. Overall structure now from your first 4 to the top. I think I did. I would draw a fib from the overall structure now from your first 4 to the top. First 4. Oh, I see. Possible. That would kind of line up with this little imbalance we have here on the 5 as well. Alright, so my charts are getting jumbled here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of some of this. Don't like how my charts are getting jumbled here. Did we sweep this? Technically. Would love it if bulls like come right back in so I can try this again. I'm not too sure. Alright.
Order filled.
Try that one more time, and if it doesn't work out, I'm just FOMOing into trades and I'm on tilt, to which we'll stop ourselves. It looks like bulls are coming back into this market. Don't want to over leverage here. See if we can start to get some closures back above. That would be great. And if not, I let the FOMO get to me. And yeah, that could be it. This could be your 2022. People are probably going short right here from this fair value gap. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not liking this, guys. Yeah, I'm not liking this. All right,
Order
okay,
filled.
there. Oh boy. All Alright guys, that was another FOMO short. Another FOMO short. I'm gonna give myself one more shot at a trade, and then I'm gonna close up shop. And let's look at market structure here, guys. So we came back down. 1, 2. This 3 is good. 4. But we're really below. I mean, we should still be looking for longs here, though. That is really, really, really unfortunate. And we keep getting these bounces back up that make me believe that we want to keep going higher. That's what's really frustrating here. So we got the sweeps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's your let's do a fib right there. Good morning, D. Good morning, good morning. You are witnessing yeah. It's hard to hear your brother over the music. Really? I barely have it playing. Hold up. Okay, I'm gonna lower it even more. Doesn't look enthusiastic, does it? Doesn't look like we want to. Doesn't look like we want to come back up. In hindsight, and it kind of feels like I'm fishing for a trade right now. Very tricky, it's very dangerous. It would be nice to get this engulfing thing though. That'd be pretty cool. Alright guys, last trade of the day. I'm gonna take this from 30-second.
Order filled.
And if this doesn't work, I will be locking my account, guys. Boy. The need to be right. The need to be right.
Order filled.
And there it is. Alright, guys. Alright. I let FOMO get to me. I was on tilt. Boy. And that's why it's very important to recognize when you have FOMO and when you're on tilt, your decision making just goes out the window. And this is what I'm here to practice. This is what I'm here to practice. So I already know what happened. I don't even think there's a need to even review what's going on. I saw this, couldn't take it because I was busy. Price just kept on going straight up. This is what I would call a home run trade, where it just gives you literally everything you wanted and more. And I wanted to capture that. I wanted to capture that feeling of winning. And I just started getting in on, quite honestly, BS trades. Started seeing what I wanted to see in the market. And instead of a home run winning day, I take a small losing day. That's got to be one of the worst situations. One of the worst situations. I cannot lie. This one hurts, guys. Not gonna lie, this one today really hurts. When you call the market like this, you get a you get a 1 to 11, but you couldn't take it, and then you start FOMOing into trades that don't really make too much sense, and you take a losing day, all because someone told you have to do something. It's a low feeling, guys. I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna practice stoicism. We're gonna practice discipline. Luckily, I had you guys on stream, and I was able to lock myself out before doing further damage to my accounts, because it could have been a downhill roll. I had a failsafe anyway of $400, but why do 400 when you could just stop it at a $200 loss, right? So now we're starting to get some upticks back up. I don't know why we decided to react right there. Oh, because we swept the original 1 and 2. Is that it? The same ones that I outlined, but just didn't have the discipline to wait for. So if we get a closure above the 20 here, I don't know. What's the correct thing to do here? Should I stop trading, or should I switch to my demo account and keep trading? That's the real question here. I think maybe the best thing to do is to not even switch to your demo account. Like, you took your shots, you lost. Yeah, you lost. lost. And just got to be okay with dealing with the loss. So I guess that's the most valuable thing here, just learning to be okay with the loss. Losses are part of the game. Might be better to step away for today unless you haven't hit your loss limit. Nah, I hit my loss limit for today. It was 400. It was 400, but I decided to just stop it at 200 because everything in my brain is telling me, hey, you're on tilt, brother. You're on tilt. You missed the trade of the day or the trade of the morning for sure. Like, this is the trade of the morning, 100%. And you had, I guess like an ego thing as well. You had your mentors watching, and you're trying to somewhat make them proud. I'm not gonna lie. That's a part of the process. I mean, that's a part of my decision making. And you want to make people proud. You want to say like, hey, you're competent. You can do this, and the system works. And I'm about to prove it here. Blah blah blah. And it's like, yeah, you have all of those things in your mind. You called it, and you would have been in the trade if you wasn't distracted from your other duties. And it runs, and now you're trying to find a hand-me-down trade, and you get into some BS that doesn't even make any sense. You didn't even wait for the sweeps of the levels that you already marked up on the way up. You knew these levels had to be swept before going higher. So now that I have a clear mind, this SBS looks a little bit better. I'm not taking it, and nor do I suggest that you guys take it. But now that we've swept all of these levels right here, we're starting to get closures above the 20 here. I would imagine that we want to revisit some highs now. And I just couldn't wait. So I'm going to have to take the L for today and then just walk away. So my account is already locked. I can no longer do damage to my account. I made that executive decision. I had about $400 worth of drawdown left that I wanted to play with, but I said, nope, let's just keep it at a small losing day. $200, we can make that in the next trade, honestly, trading 3 micros. So, but this does look a little bit better to go back to the upside here. We swept this 1-2, we swept this 1-2, swept this 1-2. Here's your 3. Now your fib level that's a question. I don't know where your golden SBS would be. Oh, it's right. It's right there. So I took it from, all right guys, so I tell you what, so you guys can see it properly. I'm gonna just leave that there for the time being. I can always draw that back. But I want to not confuse anybody while I'm on tilt and working through my tilt. Remove this. So I drew my fib from the start of this bullish move right here, and this is what you should have waited for. So we had a 1, 2, 3. Your 3 is up here. We had a couple 1-2s right here. What do? We tap right back into the 618. It still says price action still says to be bullish. You could have waited for the price of the return back to the 20 on the 1 minute and try and take this back up. You could have been aggressive and try to get in on 5 right here. You could probably look for something like this. Once again, I'm not trading. I'm just outlining what I think you could be doing right here. So we got a 4 and a 5 sweep. I believe that you could probably see something like, I probably would have done something like this and see if we can get that first take profit. Do not take this. Do not take this. I am on tilt. And there you go. It could have been easy. So my patience after. Okay, so I guess that's something to journal. I guess that is something to journal. My patience was terrible after missing a very winning trade. What do we always say? What does Stoic and Dave always say? There's going to be another bust. Every expert trader is going to say this. There's going to be another bust very soon. Not soon. You're going to have to wait a little bit. But there's going to be another bust. It's okay. And here's your other bust. I believe that we should at least hit like, what is this? 870? Maybe we see 870. Even if this is an SBS short here, I would imagine that we would have to still sweep this level for for it to keep pushing up. So yeah, good call. Pressure makes diamonds. Thank you, Stoic. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Loss was part of the game. Might be better to step away for today unless you haven't hit your loss limit. Yeah, not following the MA though, so not a good idea for sure. Nick, I'll be honest with you. We just need to know what raw resolution steps were. Hold up, guys. I got work calling me again. Servers were not Nick, I wouldn't be looking for shorts just because the moving averages say don't do it. But we did sweep a very significant level. We took like those big hourly highs, and what happens? We usually get like a reaction back to the downside afterwards. So yeah, I personally still would not be looking for shorts. But the question is, on the higher time frame, where do we go from here, right? I mean, like do we want to take this right here, which would be absolutely amazing if we do, but yeah, I wouldn't play shorts. Yeah, I would probably try and stick to this SBS right here. And honestly, I'd probably just, if I was in this trade, I'd probably close in full if I was right here. Because, once again, where does price want to go? Where does price want to go? So if you were anywhere right here, honestly, I'd probably be like partialing and put my stop to break even. So you guys don't not hear my clickety clack clack clack. Oh, I'm just sorry, D. I'm just now seeing your message. No, D. The actual problem was I was never in the good trade down here. I got rid of the markets, but I was never in the trade because I had to take care of some work business. So I didn't feel comfortable being in a trade and working at the same time. That's kind of like a no go. So I didn't get into the trade. But I tried to get in somewhere up here in no man's land, and yeah, got cooked for it. Got cooked for it live in front of people, live and in front of people. So it's okay. I'm just glad that I had not the patience, but the discipline and the strength to just cut it. I locked myself out of my account when I realized that hey, I'm just hopping in the trades. I mean, it was going in the correct direction, I believe. I was still trying to trade SBS. It wasn't like I was trying to just, oh, it's going up. There was a rhyme or reason for it, but I didn't wait for these levels to get swept. One of those words. I didn't wait for it, and I paid the price for it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I'm just sitting here collecting my thoughts, watching price. I'm probably going to review this later on today, put it in the journal, and absolutely kick myself. But it's okay. There'll be another opportunity. There'll be another chance to go long and go short in the market. So yeah, but I am down 200 and down a 200 that I don't think I should have been. So yeah, it happens. It happens. Can't wait to share though. Can't wait to share. Can't wait to build those mental calluses. Yeah, can't wait. Because I feel that as soon as I get over that little hump of, just being disciplined, seeing what you want to see, and just realizing that, hey, you live to trade another day. You took your shot, it didn't work. Your mind was kind of, flustered. And it just didn't work out. And you couldn't really see the market as correctly as you could have. And that's a human being thing, right? Like you have a bunch of emotions going in your mind and it's going to affect your decision making. And y'all saw it live right here. I didn't hide it. It affected my decision making. This probably wasn't the best place to go long. Why? We have these levels right here. Yeah, these levels right here that didn't get swept. And what happened? As soon as we swept it, tapped into this 618 of the range, going from this swing to this swing. What happened? We went up. Maybe we didn't go all the way up since we took a very significant high on the hourly, but we got a little bit of juice there, and that could have been your little piece of the pie that day. Did it hit the 618 exactly? It doesn't look like it, but it damn sure gave you enough to break even, in my opinion. Definitely gave you enough to break even. So, yeah. I would say that this was it's kind of hard for me to call this a good day. Even though technically it's a good day. I saw the move. Just couldn't get into it. So now, honestly, I don't give a shit what's about to happen next, to be honest, in the market. I took my L. We got a bearish engulfing on the 5. Price could honestly just barcode from here, to be very honest with you. I don't see us coming all the way back down here. I mean, we could, but I just don't really see it happening. So what we could see is just a bunch of this right here, which, in a range this big, I mean, that could still technically present opportunity. But I can't do it because I'm on tilt and I need to get better at just not trading. I need to get better at not trading when I'm on tilt. That's the most important thing. Like, don't. Let me turn this music down so maybe you guys can hear me. Don't trade while on tilt. Just don't do it. And I saw it coming. I had the. Oh wow, this is very loud. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, that's the most important thing I'm here to defeat. This is what defeats me. This is why I'm not getting payouts. This is why I'm not, progressing in my accounts and progressing as a trader. This right here, when I take a losing trade and I have this absolute, this almost inhuman need to trade some more. This is the exact reason why I'm trading. Because if I can do this while everyone is watching me, while I have some goats watching me as well, when it comes down to save my account and preserve capital, I can still do it. So technically, this is an L. This is an L on the charts, but I would say this is a W for discipline. Because I'm telling you guys right now, especially if I didn't have this max loss limit right here set, I would have destroyed this account today. I'm not even joking. I would have destroyed this account. So once again, I'm gonna show you guys my secret sauce. This right here, risk settings. If I just so happen to not set this for the day, and this has happened to me before. If I didn't set this for the day, and I just had this open, I would have blown the account, because there was nothing to protect me from my monkey brain to keep me from going on tilt. So I do like having this hard software coded set, like, hey, you can only do but so much damage. We're gonna lock you out, brother. And this is what we're here to defeat. And once again, boom, bow. I think I also said this right here. So like, yeah, I said that a short could be in play, but I wouldn't take it because of the SMA. But I at least said that we had to sweep this level here before going short. So this could be your SBS short. I just don't feel comfortable taking something like that because it's going against the moving average. As a new trader for myself, it's just going against the moving average is just not a thing for me in my trading. I'd rather miss every trade than trade against these two little lines right here. I'd rather do that. But got some recognition today. Everybody seems to be pretty pleased today. It was a really good day to be involved in the market today. I will say that. So if you saw the market correctly, congratulations to you. I'm pretty sure you did excellent in the market today. It just so happens that it wasn't my day. My day will come. But in the meantime, I have to hold that L. I gotta hold this L, guys. I gotta hold this L today. Oh boy, and that's the work though. Can you hold an L? Can you hold an L? Do you know when to just call it quits and just come back the next day? Can you do that? This would have been a beautiful start to the week though, guys. Mentality, right? Thanks, Jims 91. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate everybody being here and watching my progress, and we can all take trades together as long as you don't copy me. And we all just come in and take trades, following the trend, following a pullback, getting in and watching it go either higher or lower. That's what it's all about. So I'm really surprised though Dave came to save high. Like wow. Like he's kind of like the grandfather of this kind of style of trading, I guess. So like if Stoic's the daddy, then I guess Dave would be the granddaddy, and I wonder how Stoic feels about me saying some nonsense like that. Yes, Stoic, you're one of us now. One of us. But yeah, let me see, what time is it? It's 11:23. I'll give this a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day. Something that another thing I need to get better at is just learning how to have a good day, even though you took an L. Even though you took an L and let FOMO get the best of you. This is the real reason why I'm streaming. Because it's easy to have winning days in the market. This strategy is pretty simple, guys. It's really simple. It's like, if you did your homework and you're paying attention to levels, all of this is really easy to capture. It's just the days where you go on tilt and it blows up your entire month or even more. I'm sick of being in that position. I'm sick of having 2 weeks green, but that one red day blows up your entire account because you're mad or frustrated or something like that. So that's what I'm really trying to hammer down and get rid of. And I can say that mission accomplished there. I'm learning to breathe and all that other good stuff. And just to give you guys, if anybody's still listening, that I had really big temper tantrums from this, and I plan to put all this in a video one day. And I don't want to make the stream too somber, but I had some really bad blow-ups from trading. I mean, almost to the point where I had to call my girlfriend's dad to help me patch up walls. Like, seriously, I had holes in my wall due to trading. And that's just unacceptable. And the mental health aspect of this, I plan to dive much deeper on this into my channel, because I am a big advocate of mental health in this trading game. And there's so many things that I've learned about myself along the way, and just, about the importance of having a routine, having a disciplined lifestyle, how you eat. It's literally everything you do, and it'll show itself on the charts. And I had a really big funk for the past couple months just dealing with trading. And now that I'm having this, this kind of uptrend in my mental, I'm learning how to deal with, all the things that's holding me back now. So it's almost like this account is not, I don't really care. I mean, I care about the profits, obviously, but I'm more concerned about my process and getting better at taking these little paper cuts and waiting. Because as you can see, as soon as I was invalidated, like right here-ish, and I took that $40 hit, I should have stayed. I should have stayed out and waited for a price to, sweep these levels. So that $40 hit turned into a $200 hit. And I'm just happy that I was able to stop it there. Because I'm telling you guys, especially this $200 would have turned into $400 really easy. And if I didn't have that $400 limit right here for my PDL, my personal daily loss limit, I would have blown this entire account. For sure, for a fact, 100%. It's not even a question in my mind if it would have happened. I would have blown my account if I did not have the discipline to stay my ass put and just lock myself out now while it's still a small losing day. Negative 194, we can get that the next trade tomorrow. Easily. Very easily. And trading very small. So once again, guys, that is my 2 cents. I don't see a need for me to just sit here and watch the charts. I need to collect myself. I need to journal. I need to review the trades, all that other good stuff. It's gonna be very hard to watch this stream over. Because once again, I had to correct. I need to get over it, right? Because it sounds like my ex hurt me or something. I had the correct move, and I would have been in it, but I just decided to not take it at that time. So yeah, just got it on the retest. Very good, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. I don't see a reason to keep myself in this state. I'm going let the sunlight hit my skin or something, my beautiful melanated skin. And I'm going to recharge like Superman, and I'm going to be back here. You got a little crossing on the SMA here, which kind of suggests we want to start making lower lows. I don't care because I'm not a part of it, and I took my L's. So yeah, guys, you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll leave the stream up for another 2 minutes or so, but this one is over for me. I will see you guys in the next time I decide to FOMO into some nonsense. Thanks, Nick. Thanks, SBS. Thank you, everybody that tuned into the stream. You're very much appreciated. You're really helping me out. Whether you know it or not, you're really helping me out. So, yeah, you guys have a good day.